Hello everyone, today we're going to look at before and after concept from P5 Heuristics. And this will be level 2, question 2 of the before and after concept. Alright, first we need to read the question. Mr. Raju had a total of 286 apples and oranges. After selling 63 oranges and buying 58 apples, he had 81 fewer apples than oranges. How many oranges did Mr. Raju have at first? Next, we need to highlight or underline the keyword or phrases from this question. So the first keyword or phrase will be a total of 286 apples and oranges. The next phrase will be selling 63 oranges and buying 58 apples. So after Mr. Raju sold 63 oranges and bought 58 apples, he had 81 fewer apples than oranges. So what is it we need to find? We need to find the number of oranges Mr. Raju had at first. Alright, next we need to draw the model for this question. So we have apples and oranges, and after Mr. Raju sold some oranges and bought some apples, he had fewer apples and oranges. So this will be 81 fewer apples than oranges. So because he sold 63 oranges, initially we have 63 more oranges right over here, and because he bought 58 apples, we got to take away 58 in order to find the number of apples and oranges at first, and the total will be 286. Alright, so we know that we need to find the number of oranges Mr. Raju have at first. So this is the rectangle or the bar that we need to find, question mark. Okay, next we can add this part here to be 58, because initially we label this part to be 58 number of apples that Mr. Raju bought, so it will be 58 here. Alright, from here we can take 58 plus 81 and 63 to get 202. Alright, once you get this part, the total of this part, we can add with 286 to get 488. So 202 plus 286, you get 488. This to ensure that both rectangle will be equal. Alright, by adding another 202 here. Right, adding 202 here. So both rectangle will be equal. Once both rectangle are equal, we divide it by 2 to straight away find the number of oranges Mr. Raju had at first, which is 244. Another method is we can take 58 plus 81 plus 63 to get 202. Then we take the total, which is 286, take away this extra part that the oranges, number of oranges had, right, the number of oranges here, to get 84. Alright, so both bar or both rectangle will be equal once you take this extra part. Then we divide it by 2 to get 42. So where is the 42? The 42 is here. So this part here and this part here will be 42. 42 will be the number of apples Mr. Raju had at first. So in order to find the number of oranges he had at first, you got to take 286 minus this 42 to get 244. Or you can take 202 plus with 42, you'll get the same answer, 244. Alright, so that will be the end of this question. Alright, thank you very much.